Imagine, if you will, a future where our beloved Earth has become almost unrecognizable. Can you picture a world where the ice caps have melted, the forests have withered, and the air has become a thick, smoggy haze? A future where the year 2070 bears little resemblance to the world as we know it today. This may sound like the plot of a dystopian novel, but it could well be the reality if we continue on our current path of carbon dioxide emissions. What is the cause of this potentially bleak future? The answer is simple: greenhouse gases, of which carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a major contributor. When we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy, we release CO2 into the atmosphere. This forms a kind of blanket around the Earth, trapping heat and causing the planet's temperature to rise. This is what we call the greenhouse effect. But the effect of CO2 on our climate doesn't stop there. As the Earth's temperature rises, it triggers a series of domino-like events. The polar ice caps begin to melt, leading to rising sea levels. This can result in devastating floods, displacing millions of people from their homes. The increased temperature also causes more intense and frequent heat waves and droughts. These conditions can lead to crop failure, threatening food security around the world. And as if that wasn't enough, the warmer climate also disrupts ecosystems and wildlife, leading to a loss of biodiversity. All of these effects are interconnected, creating a web of consequences that could drastically alter life on Earth as we know it. But it's not too late to change the course we're on. Every one of us has the power to make a difference. Start by reducing your own carbon footprint. Consider making changes in your daily life, like using public transportation, biking, or walking instead of driving. Opt for renewable energy sources whenever possible. And remember, every little bit helps. Next, encourage others to do the same. Share your knowledge and passion for the environment with your friends, family, and community. The more people that understand the consequences of CO2 emissions, the more we can collectively make a difference. Finally, support policies and companies that prioritize the environment. Vote with your wallet and your ballot. Demand that businesses and governments take action to reduce CO2 emissions. In conclusion, the future of our planet is in our hands. We have the power to shape a future where the Earth thrives rather than merely survives. It starts with understanding the cause and effect relationship between CO2 emissions and climate change, and taking action to reduce our own carbon footprints. So take a step today for the Earth of tomorrow.